Now, nothing says the beginning of a tasty summer than buttery, succulent, and satisfying lobster rolls. In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare lobster rolls in two ways. The Maine style, which is a cool lobster roll made with mayo, and the Connecticut style, which is warm and buttery and delicious. Take a trip with Flavour-O-Rama to New England, right in your kitchen. If that sounds like a great taste bud trip to you, stay tuned and keep on watching. For our lobster rolls today, we're going to use lobster tails. Now, live lobsters are also an option to use as well. However, this is just showing you another way to do this if live lobsters are not accessible to you. Now, to prepare the lobster tails, we're going to use our steamer pot. The water is going to be added to the bottom of the pot along with salt. We have to make sure that the water is as salty as the sea. Steaming the lobster helps keep the meat nice and tender. As always, keep all of your surfaces clean and sanitized. Don't let germs get in the way of your amazing dish. After steaming the lobster tails for about 5 to 8 minutes, the lobster tails will become bright red in color and will begin to curl under. Afterwards, take the lobsters out of the steam basket and place it in ice cold water or in an ice bath. This will stop the cooking process. After the lobster is cooled, we are going to proceed to remove the meat from the shells thoroughly, making sure that all the lovely meat is used. Then we will cut the lobster meat into large chunks. And the Flavour-O-Rama gem of the day is from Luke chapter 1, verse 45, King James Version, which says, "And blessed is she that believed, for there shall be a performance of those things which were told her from the Lord." After removing the shells, you can either discard them or use them to make a flavorful seafood stock. To those who are returning viewers, welcome back. And a huge welcome to those who are joining the Flavour-O-Rama fam for the first time. If you are enjoying the content so far, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Only satisfied taste buds await you. Now we're going to start off with our Maine style roll. We're going to first add the lobster meat pieces into a large bowl with mayo, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, lemon zest, pickle juice, celery, fresh dill, crushed chives, parsley, and the rest of our dry seasoning. Next, we will fold the ingredients together gently, making sure that all the lobster meat pieces are well coated. Then we're going to place it in the refrigerator to chill. Next, we can get to work on the Connecticut style roll or the warm and buttered lobster roll. First, we're going to melt one stick, yes, one stick of butter over medium heat. Now, while the butter is melting in the pan, we're going to add our chopped shallots. minced garlic. Next, we'll add in our lemon zest and lemon juice. Then we can add our fresh dill and fresh parsley. We're going to add in our lobster meat chunks and begin to coat the lobster in our butter sauce. Then after adding in our remaining dry seasonings, we're going to incorporate everything together well and set aside. At this point, we're going to begin to toast our brioche buns with butter. Make sure to toast each side of the buns until golden brown. And just to add a little variety to the presentation of these lobster rolls, we're going to toast mini croissants as well. And there you have it, everyone. We have our yummy lobster rolls in two ways, Maine and Connecticut style. And don't forget our mini croissant lobster rolls as well. These are the perfect taste of a New England summer. These lobster rolls are great with potato chips, fries, a side salad, a cool drink like a chilled glass of wine, a cold beer, or a cool fruit drink. And if you still have extra lobster meat left, check out the bonus video, which is linked in the description box below. I hope you and your family and friends enjoy eating this as much as I enjoyed making it with you today. Thanks again for joining Flavour-O-Rama. Have a happy plate life, and we'll see you next time.